Netflix quality settings, how to change Netflix video quality. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can change the Netflix video quality, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now changing Netflix video quality is actually quite very simple to do. Now first of all, if your application is not being able to stream on high, it could be that your mobile is actually a low-end device. So if you have a plan that supports up to 4K, because the video quality not only depends upon the quality but also upon the plan that you have. To check that, just come to the My Netflix tab, tap the three lines option from here, and once you do that, you want to simply scroll here, go to the option called account. Once you go to account option, now in my case I have got premium 4K ultra HD plan, so I can just record in UHD and then I can also go ahead and stream in UHD, and then depending upon the devices that I use, it will stream it according to my internet connection. Now beside that, if you want to view at some of the app settings, you might actually try to download it in a high quality and then watch it offline if that is what you're looking for. But as I said, the video quality on Netflix is mostly due to the current plan that you have. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.